It took me 3 months to make my first £1,000 selling digital products without any social media. So I started selling on Etsy because Etsy is a marketplace and I didn't have a social media account or an email list anywhere that I could promote my products. So that's why I decided to focus on Etsy and tap into the market that was already there. So at this moment right now I have 2,358 sales on Etsy, just on Etsy alone. And for Etsy, I never used social media to drive traffic apart from Pinterest. So I started using Pinterest in the beginning because I was very scared of using social media. So I use Pinterest, but all the other traffic is coming from Etsy SEO, from the search bar, from Google. It's all organic, and this is what I'm going to share with you today. So if you are planning to sell digital products, I'm going to share with you exactly what I did and that worked for me, and I'll give you some pro tips for you to apply on your shop as well. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with a question that I get asked a lot. So should you start with a niche or should you start more broad? So this actually depends, but when I started, I didn't have a niche. I was just publishing my own Notion templates and I was sharing what I was creating for myself. So there were templates for everything. But for now, because the market is getting super saturated with more general templates like productivity templates, habit trackers, and it's overcrowded with the same templates, I would say if you are starting now, I would highly recommend that you pick a group of people that you can help with your templates. And when I mean niching down, it doesn't mean that you just have to sell Notion templates. It's good to niche down to a group of people. So let's say you want to help teachers, or you want to help writers, or you want to help social media managers. So when you do that, you niche yourself down, but you can actually charge more for your templates and it can help you stand out from the crowd. So when you are picking a niche to start with, I would say consider your expertise on your niche and something that you already have experience with it and how passionate you are about it, because this is something that is gonna take a lot of work and a lot of time as well. And if you pick something that you don't like doing it, it's very likely that you're not gonna stick with the long term. And also you can go on Etsy and you can literally type in the search bar Canva templates for, Notion templates for, and Etsy is actually gonna give you exactly what people are searching for. So this can give you an idea if there's people actually looking for what are you planning to sell. So here you can see an Etsy seller that is doing this really well. She's targeting authors and writers, and her shop is all around this target market. And she not only just sells Notion templates, she also sells Canva templates and workbooks, but it's all for this group of people, for authors, for writers. So when they come in here, they know that this shop is for them. So once you've done your research, you decided the niche that you want to go for, who you want to help, you need a place where you can sell your digital products. So you have many options. You can start with Etsy, you can start on Gumroad, you can start your own website. So it depends. You can do your own research and decide where you want to go. But I would go first, decide where you want to sell, but then you can go straight to start designing your templates, because otherwise how are you going to make sales if you don't have your product? And a strategy that you can follow that can be really helpful, especially if you work full-time or have kids or don't have a lot of time, is to create a comprehensive all-in-one premium version of a template for your niche. So let's say you have this premium version of a template for a manifestation coach. So there is like affirmations, there is manifestation templates and business templates and everything. So what you can do is to list this product on your shop, but you can also break this template into smaller versions. So you can also list on your shop a manifestation template, you can also list the affirmations and create Canva templates for it as well, and different types of digital products for this manifestation coach, for example. And this is going to help you build your inventory quickly, even if you don't have a lot of time to create everything from scratch. And if you are selling on Etsy, it's very important that you also stay active on your shop. And the way that I did this in the beginning, I was aiming to launch one template every week. So I managed to do this for a few months. I think I did that for 2 months, and it really helped me to get momentum on my shop and also to improve my skills. But you can do whatever way works best for you, but it's very important that you stay active, because if you do everything and just list your products there and don't do anything on Etsy, Etsy is not gonna show your products to other people as well. They want you to be active, so this is important if you are on Etsy. The third thing that really helped me to reach my first sales online without any social media were my designs. So this is very important, especially if you are selling in a marketplace like Etsy or somewhere that people are going to see your products next to other competitors. So the thing that will help you to stand out is your design, especially your thumbnail. A thumbnail basically is the first image that you see when you go in the search bar. So when you are looking for a product, you need to think about how your customer are going to pick a product. So when they come here, what's catching the attention and making them click your product? First of all, you need to have like very compelling images. You can add these like buttons on top, and you can also find inspiration from what other people are doing that is working well for them, but just don't copy exactly how like bestsellers are doing, because you're not going to stand out just by copying other people. You need to find your own style and find what works for you. But what is very important is that if you create a boring thumbnail or a thumbnail that doesn't grab any attention, people are not going to click, and they are probably not going to buy if they don't click on it. So this is something that I would say spend time on it and keep improving your thumbnail, keep trying different things, and this is going to make a massive difference. So for example, here, this one is a great example of a thumbnail that is working really well. So you can see there is a clear image of the template. There is Notion logo here, so you can see, and there's also a video. So this is very important. If you are planning to start a digital product shop but you feel completely overwhelmed with everything, you have no idea what to do next, you're just confused with all the information out there, I put together a roadmap showing you exactly how to get started, how to pick a niche, how to open your shop, how to launch your products, how to market your products, how to make your first sales, and so much more. So all of this I teach inside the Passive Income Academy. So in the Academy, you're gonna find PLR templates to also help you get started. These are templates that are done for you, and all you need to do is just customize, add your own brand, your own colors, and resell as your own. So we have like journal templates, goals planner, we have an all-in-one life and business finance tracker, and all the templates there, so it can help you get started as soon as possible. So I'll leave the link in the description if you want to join, and I hope I see you inside. Alright, last but not least is to over-deliver. So you are selling a template for, let's say, a manifestation coach. Can you create a freebie for them? Something that is really valuable, something that you charge for, but you are going to give them for free. So this is what over-delivering is. It's not just about creating a random freebie that is not going to solve any problems, not going to help them at all. It's to give them something that is valuable, especially for your target audience. So this can be, if you are in the teaching niche, you can create something for them. Or if you are in the social media management niche, you can create something that will help them. And every time that an order comes through, you can send them a message just to make sure everything's okay, if they are happy with the product, and you can kindly ask for a review. You can message them something like, hey, is everything okay with your template? Do you need any help? I would really appreciate if you could leave a review because that really helps my shop. Yeah, this can really help, especially on Etsy, because Etsy is a marketplace. So the more reviews you have, it basically tells the algorithm, oh, look, this product is good and we're gonna push this product to more people because it's selling well, customers are happy, so let's get this product in front of more people. So this is what helps you as well to make more sales, and especially your first sales. And remember this, you only need one bestseller digital product to make your first £1,000. So test, experiment, and try to create something unique that really solves a problem. And this is what helps me to reach my first £1,000 on Etsy. And I'll see you in the next video. So if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and leave a like below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.